this is how it acts when it gets to you. You can hear me clicking around in the menu, and it deploys, but it always goes in error mode when it retracts. I messed with the set screw. That doesn't do anything. It has nothing to do with the set screw. It just is the Hall effect sensor not sensing the probe when it retracts, and that's enough to keep it from working properly. Okay, so when you get one of these things, it doesn't work, it's not registering right. All you gotta do, you gotta be careful. These little teeny tiny wires right here, you gotta be careful of them. You gotta pry this thing open. And you gotta adjust. Oh, well, it broke again. Whatever. I already had to resolder it, so I'll do it again. But you just move this little sensor right here. Come into focus, but whatever. It's in anyway. The sensor, stick it up. You basically pull it out just far enough that it doesn't, hit the pin when you push it back all together, like as close as you can get it, and then it'll read correct, and they'll start working. And if the sensor is too close and rubbing on the stick, on the probe, and keeping it from, just keeping it from moving freely, you can actually look down there. I'm never going to be able to get this to focus, but you can maybe see that. Oh, there it is. Yeah, look at that. There it is. See? Right like that. Set that up so that then you can just take it and kind of just poke it out of the way a little bit. You know what I mean? Hopefully you don't poke it too far, because then you'd have to open it up and do this, the whole fixing it thing all over again. And that'd be no fun. And this is just to show it working. The zip tie is just there for holding the circuit board on, because I didn't want to glue it in place just in case I had to adjust it or anything. But it's just, run through the test, showing that it, runs the test over and over and over again just fine. The other, before fixing this, it couldn't even run the test once, and now, not a single issue.